Well, greetings everyone, and welcome to EPSY 6613 Instructional Systems Design. My name is Mike, and I will be your host for this course. I'm a faculty member, assistant professor, and coordinator of the educational psychology program here at OSU. And I'm very excited about this course. This is the second time that I will have taught it. So hopefully I got most of the kinks out the first time, but there still may be a bug or two to work out here and there. Just want to draw your attention. You probably will have noticed already, but the syllabus attachment, and a couple of rubrics are already posted here on Brightspace. If you're seeing this video, I'm assuming that you've either explored or will do some exploring on Brightspace soon. A couple things heading into this first week. So the first is that I did want to draw your attention to the discussion board. So we do have discussion this week. It's actually voluntary, although I would so appreciate if you would go ahead and jump in. I think it'll be a good opportunity to become familiar with Flipgrid, which we will use occasionally this semester, and hopefully this week. I thought it would be a good way to kind of get to know one another. There is a question prompt on Flipgrid. Also, I wanted to draw your attention to another lounge that we have, or another forum, which is the Student Lounge, which is a place. There's actually three forums or three topics in that Student Lounge. So first is just if you have any questions whatsoever about the course. Of course, you're always free to email me. You're always free to ask your peers. But that's also another place. And frankly, I'd like to encourage you to do that, because if you're emailing me with a question, almost certainly somebody else has the same question and could benefit from the answer. So if you put the question there, that way everybody sees the answer and actually sees the question too. There's also a How Can I Help forum. I didn't mean to put that in quotes. I really do want to know how I can help. That is an anonymous forum, but just be warned, you do have to click, you do have to activate or let Brightspace know that you wish to remain anonymous. But that's, you can post any sort of suggestions whatsoever about the course and any modifications that could help facilitate your learning. That's a great place to do that. And again, you're welcome to email me, but, very possibly something that you feel could be changed for the benefit of your learning probably applies to your peers as well. It's been a long week. And then finally, there's just a water cooler topic. So just chill. You might just want to carry on a conversation, or maybe there's a current event or something that you just want to comment on, and there's really no other place to do that or space to do that in this course. So that's there for you as well. And I think that's about all I have. Again, I'm really excited about this course and getting to know you all a bit better. And yeah. Contact me if you have any questions.